Welcome everybody, good morning. Today we have Unit 10, Wildlife in Danger, Grade 9, periods number 1 and 2, and the pages 28 and 29. So let's start and revise our last lesson, the new words. Let's listen to the new words to remember them.
Unit 10, Period 1, Activity 1. Come down. Go up. Joke. Keep. Go on. Population. Pound. Price. Section. Supermarket. Tuna.
Okay, these new words we took them in the last lesson. Now, but today we have something else. Today we have
Unit
our
10.
lesson. Listen exercise number 4. Listen and read. Find words and phrases from activity 1. At the beginning, let's listen to the first part, everyone.
Unit 10, Period 1, Activities 3 and 4. Mrs. Kadiri and Waleed were shopping at the fish section in a big supermarket.
How much is the tuna, please?
It's £25 a kilo.
£25? You're joking.
No, seriously, that's the price. It's the finest fish that you can buy.
But £25 is more than the most expensive meat. Your prices keep going up and up.
I'm sorry, but we're paying more and more. So our prices to you have to rise too.
So why is it happening?
It's because too many fish are being caught, Mum. I'm learning all this at school.
Tell me more.
Well, all the adult fish are being caught, so young ones aren't being produced. And that means fish populations everywhere have been falling for years.
Okay, in this part, everyone, students, we have the word expensive, and we need to know the opposite of expensive. It's cheap. And also here we have ones refer to what? Well, all the adult fish are being caught. So young ones, young what? Of course, young fish aren't being produced. Also here we have falling. What is the opposite of falling? Yes, rising. Now let's come to the second part of the conversation. Listen, please.
That sounds terrible. Is anything being done about it?
Yes, something is being done. In Europe, people are being stopped from catching too many fish now. They're being stopped by the government, and they aren't allowed to go out in their boats as much as they used to.
So does that mean there will be more fish again in future?
We hope there will, in the end. If not, I'll lose my job.
And will your prices come down?
We certainly hope they will.
Well, I'm very sorry, but until then, we'll have to go somewhere else and buy something cheaper. Come on, Waleed, let's go.
Okay, so we have some words. Allowed, what does it mean? Accepted, yes. And here we have cheaper. We need the opposite is more expensive. Good. Now everyday English, £25. You're joking. Come on, Waleed, let's go. Okay, now let's have another exercise. Exercise number 3, page 28. We have exercise 1. Number 1, what was Mrs. Gadri trying to buy? She was trying to buy some tuna. Okay. Number 2, what was the problem for her? It was £25. It's very expensive. Yes, it was very expensive. Number 3, why is this happening? Yes, because the prices, fish population are falling, and in this case they rising the price. Okay, now let's come to period number 2. On this exercise number 1, page 29, read and add words from period 1. Make any changes needed. So I will give you time to guess what is the suitable word to put here according from our new words. Okay, after you finish writing the new words, now listen and check your answer. Okay.
Unit 10, Period 2, Activities 2 and 4. 1.
Where are you in the supermarket? I'll come and find you. I'm in the magazine and newspaper. See you soon.
2.
I'm going to buy some tuna for dinner. It's my favourite fish. Are you joking? It's far too expensive.
3.
What's the normal kind of price that you have to pay for fish in Britain? It's about £8. That's about $12.
4. What's the population of America at the moment? It's about 320 million, and it's going up. It'll be over 400 million by 2050. 5. The team kept climbing the mountain for a week. Yes, they got to the top yesterday, and now they're coming down.
Good. So after you finish writing these words and listening to this exercise, we need to come to exercise number 3 on the same page, page 29. Read again and answer the questions. What kind of shop were Walid and his mother in? And which section were they in? Yes, they were in a supermarket in the fish section. Number 2, how did Walid know about the problems of the fishing industry? Yes, because he was learning about this at school. Number 3, why have fish populations been falling? Because adult fish are being caught, so young ones aren't being produced. Number 4, what is being done to stop this? People are being stopped from catching too many fish. Good. Now let's come to the second part of this exercise number 3, and let's see number 5. What does the assistant hope will happen? What does the assistant hope will happen? He hopes there will be more fish in the future. Now number 6. If it doesn't, what will happen to him? Of course he will lose his job. He will lose his job. And number 7, if it does, what may finally happen to fish prices? Will come down, of course. Prices will come down. And the last one, 8, until then, what will the Qadiri family have to do? Unfortunately, they have to go somewhere else to buy. Until then, they will have to buy something cheaper. Thanks for attending, everybody. Have a nice day and see you soon.